What's the best free VPN you can get on a Chromebook? In this video, I'm going to be showing you what I think is the best free VPN on any Chromebook in 2025. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. All right, so in my opinion, the best free VPN for any Chromebook in 2025 is going to be ProtonVPN. And that's because they are a very highly rated, highly trusted VPN that has a paid tiered, but their free tier VPN you can use without even creating an account. You can use forever. It's not a trial service, and it allows you to change your region. So if you want to get some of the benefits of streaming services out of that, you can even do that as well. In addition to that, their VPN works on almost any device, including your phones, Android and iPhones, computers, MacBooks, anything like that. You can install ProtonVPN. So to install ProtonVPN onto your Chromebook, check the description. I have a direct link down there, but all you need to do is open up the Google Play Store, search ProtonVPN, and then once you open it up, it should look like this. Select Install. Once it's done installing, select Open. You might get the screen when you first open it on your Chromebook, but that's just generic because we downloaded it from the Google Play Store. So you shouldn't have any issues with this because this isn't like a game or something. So select Got It. And then as soon as you open up ProtonVPN, you'll see that you don't even need to create an account. We could just select Continue as Guest if we want to. Once you select Continue as Guest, they're going to bring up their paid version of Proton with the prices there. And a lot of people get tripped up here, but you don't have to pay for ProtonVPN to be able to use it. All you need to do is go to the bottom and select Not Now. Once you do that, it'll bring you to where you can see fastest free server, and it will currently show that you're unprotected. All we need to do to start the VPN is simply select Connect. You're going to get a quick screen that's going to request to set up the VPN on your Chromebook. Select OK. It'll go ahead and configure it automatically for you. You can set up notifications if you want to. I'm not going to. And then you'll see Protected at the top of the app, and that means the VPN is now working. So if we go down to the clock here, we can always tell if we're connected to a VPN because our Chromebook will show us a little lock right here under VPN. If you select that, you can see what VPN it's connected to and then disconnect it if you want to. If we go back to the Proton app, you can disconnect at any point by simply selecting Disconnect, but we also have the option to change server. So you can get some benefits out of this when you're using streaming services. I'm currently connected to the United States. If I select Change Server, it'll change me to a server in Romania. So now I am routing through Romania and my connection looks like I'm coming from Romania. And I can change my server again to another one of their free servers every minute and 30 seconds. So pretty cool out of a free VPN to be able to do that. And just to give you some idea about the speed of the VPN, I'll do a quick speed test. And there you go, we're getting 40 megabits down and 36 megabits up. So really not bad from a free VPN without even having to create an account. All right, so that's ProtonVPN, what I think is the best free VPN that you can get on your Chromebook in 2025. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.